Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to appeal a suspended account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you have your account suspended, then you can simply try to log in with the Instagram app or website and attempt to simply get access to your account. So if you cannot get access to your account, you will likely see a message about your suspension, which will guide you to the appeal process. Otherwise, you can simply type in the same problem on your web browser as well. And once you type this in, you can simply find the help option. So now Instagram help option will get you the access to simply follow some methods to appeal a suspended account. Now you can simply check for like temporarily deactivated, or you can simply tap on like login issue. And if you do it, you need to follow the on-screen prompts given and simply go and appeal or like email to Instagram about what the stuffs are and how you can simply recover it. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.